Hello everyone, welcome to plus 2. In this video we will learn a solution for one of the problem which came in NEET 2022, and the problem goes something like this. An ideal gas undergoes 4 different processes from the same initial state as shown in the figure below. Those processes are adiabatic, isothermal, isobaric and isochoric. The curve which represents the adiabatic process among 1, 2, 3, 4 is. So we have this curve and we need to find the curve which represents the adiabatic process among 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know from the thermodynamic relation that dP by dV for adiabatic is equal to minus gamma times P. Also dP by dV isothermal is equal to minus P, and from here we can say that dP by dV for adiabatic is greater than dP by dV isothermal, right? So now if you look at the plot, you see that here the number 4, so this is isobaric. This is obvious, right? Because pressure is constant. 1 is isochoric. Number 2 is adiabatic, and number 3 is isothermal. So here the important part is number 3 and number 2, because 1 and 4 we already know that this is isobaric and isochoric. To get the answer between 2 and 3, we have to look at this relation where dP by dV adiabatic is greater than dP by dV isothermal. That's why the curvature of the curve is higher in 2. That is, the curvature of 2 is higher than 3, which means that the option 2 is the correct answer. So the answer is 2. So this is how you solve this problem. This is one of the easy problem in the NEET exam. Hope you were able to solve it. Please do subscribe to this channel. You will get similar quick tutorial in physics and maths for NEET, JEE Mains and plus 2 topics. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.